Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean with JD video, and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I'm taking you along and showing you how I decorated for Halloween, and there's also some cleaning in here. Not really deep cleaning, but more spot cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so let's get started. I just want to apologize in advance. I am still a little sick, so my voice is a little off. But first I'm starting outside, and I got this little cute pumpkin door decoration at the Dollar Tree for $1. And my theme for this year is pumpkins. So you'll see I have a lot of pumpkin decorations. So I'm just kind of sweeping my porch here, just kind of getting some leaves and dirt off. And I will be putting this witch up. We have had her for years and she's a classic, so I'm just tying her to the railing because it is New England here. We have wind, rain, could snow, who knows. So I'm just doing that. And she does talk. I need to put new batteries in her, so when the kids come, they'll get a kick out of that. But I am just tying her. I also got these cute pumpkin, it goes in the dirt type of things at the Dollar Tree too. They're very small, but hey, I like it. So I'm just taking these signs out and moving them, and then I'll be putting the pumpkins at the edge of the stairs. Now I am inside, and I'm first starting off by cleaning my windowsill. We have a lot of plants in my house, so I'm just taking a paper towel and a plate and getting any dirt, leaves, etc. off and get it nice and clean, so then I can go in and use the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and the scent apple cider, of course, because it is fall. Gotta use the apple cider. So that is what I'm doing before I start decorating. Now I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner, and I will be cleaning the two windows that I am putting the decorations in. The other windows have screens in them, so I'm not cleaning those. And like I said earlier, this is just like spot cleaning. It's not super deep cleaning. So I'm just going to get these nice and shiny so everyone will be able to see the decorations when they drive by. For decorations for the window, I'm using these pumpkins. They light up. They're super cute, but they were a little too short, so I kind of had to find a way to raise them up. They come with little things to raise them up, but not really sturdy, and it just doesn't look good. So I decided to use a mason jar to just raise it up, and this worked out great, and it doesn't look too terrible. You can't see it from the window, obviously, because it's dark. So that is what I did for both the pumpkins, and this pumpkin's bottom was a little loose, so I had to go in and just tighten it with a screwdriver. I am doing the same process over in this window, just first cleaning the window with the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner, and then I will be putting the pumpkin in there with the mason jar. I saw this fake plant at Target, and I knew I had to get it because it is perfect for the theme that I'm working with. Pumpkin plant type of theme. It's a ghoulish garden and it has fake Venus flytraps in it, and it kind of looks Halloweenish, monstery. So I just thought it was perfect, and it was a little pricey, not going to lie. It was $35, but honestly, it's worth it. It is beautiful, and I know it's gonna last a long time. And my cousin gave me these fake insects just to put in the plant as a joke. So that is what I'm doing here. I also got this real plant from the local garden center, and it looks Halloweenish. It's orange, and I thought it was pretty, so I got that. This is what my windowsill looks like, and it basically looks like a garden, but we love plants in my house, and I think everything comes together nicely. It looks so cute from the outside when it is dark out, so hopefully the kids on Halloween night will like it. Moving on to the kitchen, I got these little appetizer dishes from Target. They are in the dollar section, and there's 2 of them. I also got these oven mitts from the Dollar Tree. And I also got this little towel from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm first starting off by just spot cleaning my stove. It wasn't too dirty, so I'm just kind of getting any crumbs off. And I'm using one of the appetizer dishes as a soup spoon holder. I'm using it as that, and the other one I'll be using as a jewelry holder actually, but I just thought it was really cute. And I'm over here just spot cleaning as well, and I'll be taking those nasty oven mitts out of here and putting them in the washing machine ASAP, and putting the nice clean pumpkin ones up, and I will also be putting the towel on the dishwasher. I'm in my room now, and I am putting my boyfriend's chessboard away for my Halloween decorations. So I am just putting all the pieces in the chessboard carrier. I'm wiping this area down with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. I got this pumpkin donut candle from Michael's, and it was actually on sale. I'm pretty sure I paid about $2 for it. It smells amazing. I got this plant pumpkin thing at Target, and it goes perfectly with my theme. And I also got this fake succulent pumpkin plant at Target as well, and it was $5, and I'm pretty sure the other one was $5 too. And this area is just so zen to me. I think I want to put a zen garden over here when Halloween is over. I am wiping my desk down just quickly. I'm not really doing anything special over here. I did buy the pumpkin carton holder from Target. It was $1, and I am just putting all my pens and pencils in it. I am cleaning the chair with the anti-bac spray since we were sick over the weekend. Just want to get all the germs out, and do not use the anti-bac spray on your desk. I didn't read, I wasn't supposed to. It made it bubble a little, but it went away, so just don't do that. I am over here at my side table, and I'm just cleaning up. Like I said, I was super sick over the weekend, so I was like out of commission for a few days. I wasn't really picking up after myself like I normally do, so it caught up to me. So I'm just tidying up over here, and I am also spraying the multi-surface spray along with a little anti-bac spray on the face cloth and wiping down the side table area. And I'm using the second pumpkin appetizer dish and just putting my jewelry on it. I thought it was a good idea and it looks super cute. I'm cleaning my mirror with the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner. I'm putting these pumpkin string lights around my mirror, and I also got these at Target, and they are battery run, just to let you know if you are to buy them. They don't come with the batteries, but these are really adorable, and the pumpkins are so cute and little, and it goes around the mirror perfectly. It's not too small, it's not running over, and at night it looks really good. If you're enjoying my video so far, it would mean a lot to me if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I am really close to 50 subscribers, and my goal is to reach 50 subscribers by the end of this month. And leave me a comment down below letting me know any video recommendations that you may have for me. These are what the string lights look like around the mirror. Super adorable. Moving on to the bathroom, I'm not doing anything too crazy in here, but I'm first starting off by cleaning off the counters, and I'll be washing the mirror, not completely, but a little, with the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner, and then I will be cleaning the counters with the anti-back spray. I got this trick or treat sign to replace with the It Is What It Is sign, and I can't remember where I got it. It is either from Target, Dollar Tree, or Michael's. That is where I got all my Halloween decorations this year. I got this pumpkin mason jar at Target, and I thought it was adorable. I am putting my Q-tips in it, but I thought it was a cute idea just to keep them in there. I'm taking this door decoration off and replacing it with this cute little pumpkin guy. Finally, the last decoration I am putting up are these lights around the railing near the stairs of the entranceway when you come in and when you go downstairs to the basement. And of course, you want to make sure they work first before you go and decorate it. And I also got these lights from Target, and they look really nice at night, and I'm thinking of leaving them up until I do my Christmas decorations, because it also has that fall feel to it and it's not too Halloween specific. And I did speed this up really fast just because this was a long process. And these are what the lights look like. So thank you guys so much for watching my Halloween clean and decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you would like and subscribe to my channel so you guys can help me reach my goal of 50 subscribers by the end of this month. If you would like to see more of my videos, you can click on the left or the right videos pictured here to watch more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!